Going to talk about the different ways that you can communicate in Canvas. We talked about when we were in both versions, the web and the app, we talked about the fact that you would communicate a lot with your teachers through your inbox function, which was up at the top in your, show you that, up in the top here in your user settings. We also talked about the fact once we pulled up a course, that you would communicate through announcements and discussions as well as we were going through that. We talked about that. I'm going to show you how to do that now. I'm going to tell you that with an iPad, you're going to want to do all your communications through the app. I'm going to say that again. With an iPad, you're going to want to do all of your communications through the app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Canvas app. I'm going to show you how each of these communications work. I'm going to go down here at the bottom and start, and then remember this is called your global navigation for your app. I'm going to start with messages. This is your inbox, basically. And what you're going to do to send a message with your inbox is you're going to click on the plus side because you're going to add a person and you're going to search for a person to send it to. So I'm going to have Abby. I'm signed in Abby's account. I'm going to have Abby send a message to me. And once I select that from the list, notice my name popped up. I had to select it from the list. It will go up in the top. And then you can go ahead and type what you want to say. In there. You can also do attachments. So your choices are, you can choose from your library. So say you want to just put a picture on there. You can do that. See, there's an attachment right there. You can also take a video or an audio recording. You can record audio from there. So, and you can actually send video messages to someone. So you can click there and do video. And here I am, lovely on a Sunday morning. Hello, this is a test video message. Okay, and then you would just select use video. And now you'll notice that there are two attachments with this message. And when we hit send, you'll get a blue box at the top that says message sent. And you're going to say, well, wait, nothing happened here. If you look in sent, that's where that will be. Now, I don't know if you just heard it or not, but my phone just went off. That was a text from Canvas telling me that I had a new inbox message. So that's so important. Like I said, if somebody's messaging you, if a teacher's messaging you, they probably need to get a hold of you. So you need to be mindful to check those messages a lot, or to really be mindful to set up your notifications. And you can see there it is where Abby sent that message to me. Then my phone went off telling me I had it. So that is how messaging works in the Canvas app. Now, in order to do announcements and discussions, those are going to be specific to a group, to a course. So let's go into courses and go back into Abby's demo course and go into announcements. There is a back to school announcement here. You can click on that and you can see that I was playing around with this and I just replied to that by just hitting that arrow at the top and posting a little comment there to that announcement. So you can do that as well. There for discussions, you'll click on that. You'll see all the discussions for a course. In this case, there's one. If you wanted to reply to this discussion, you would just hit the arrow again. Type in what you wanted to say. Remember to be mindful about your posts and using good digital citizenship when doing that. You can also do attachments through here. So you can hit this camera and you can record a video message and put it straight as part of a discussion. Think about that. If you're doing an activity maybe for a science class where you're doing a lab or something, you could do a video explanation and attach it right up to your discussion. This is a really great feature and one that we didn't have in My Big Campus necessarily. So not as quite as easy to record it right from there. So anyway, those are some things that you can do. You then can hit post and that will show up in the discussion. So again, 3 ways to communicate in Canvas: your inbox or your messages, your announcements, and your discussions within your courses. So again, I'm just going to say this one more time. From an iPad, you're going to want to do all of this through the app. This is something that you'll want to do that way. So I hope this video has helped you understand how to communicate in Canvas.